Hey guys, we're back at it again. It's Tuesday, and that means tomorrow is another farmer's market, which I'm really excited about. So, I'm getting a little bit of a late start in the baking this week, which has me a little bit worried, but I also think that, yeah, we're gonna be fine. Adding a new menu item this week, and yeah, I'm just super excited about it. It's currently 5 o'clock, and my goal is to have everything tonight done by 9. And I think that's possible because this week we're not doing the decorated sugar cookies, and those take the longest. So I'm about to start making the cheesecake swirl brownies. I'm going to do the king cookies in chocolate chip and M&M. I'm going to also be baking M&M cupcakes. So yeah, let's do this. Adding a new flavor to the king cookies this week. M&M. Got some in the oven too. Woo woo! Yep. First batch done. Next batch up is the chocolate chip king cookies. Woo! Making good time. Look at the M&M cupcake batter. Oh my gosh. I sense an M&M theme this week. All the M&M cookies are out, and they look delicious. I use this to dip the chocolate chip cookies, which are in the oven now. Oh yes. And next up, I'm making cheesecake for the Cheesecake Brownies. So this is a little strange, but I'm not a huge sweets fan. I'm not a huge cupcake fan. I love to make them. They're cute and they look so pretty. And I mean, mine are pretty good. But I've never made these M&M cookies before, so I had to try them out, and I'm not kidding. These are like one of the best things I've ever had. They are so good, and they just they're soft and delicious, and I love them so much better than the chocolate chip ones. Today we got some new packaging. This is going to be for our brownies and our slices of banana bread. Were you playing this yesterday?
Yes, you were.
Okay. Questionable. Sample platter, Game Strong. We are all set up for week 2. Kevin's getting our PayPal set up. You can pay with your card. Good job. We got a new sample tray with some tongs. Yum. Kevin found this napkin holder at Goodwill. Good job. We've got M&M cupcakes, our new cheesecake brownies, and our cookies and banana bread. Just showing the menu. It is very hot this week, but it was a lot easier setting up today than it was last week.
Sure.
So that's good. So today it rained, but the rain has stopped and the sun's out a little bit. And hopefully that brings some more people around.
Yeah.
But we've sold a few things today.
Yeah, it's
so
pick back up.
it's all good. So Kevin has the word quench, but nowhere to put it.
I'm gonna find it.
Just put it up here. We just finished up week 2 of the farmer's market, and it was a little wet, a little rainy, but it was still a good night. And now we are doing our traditional